Wow. Good morning, everybody. In today's vlog, I will be sharing what I'm gonna do in a day of my life in Korea. Before I begin, I would like to show you guys my fit for today. A skirt, a top, and a jacket. Say hi to the camera. Like wave. We are now at Gangnam District, and behind me is a big store.
Let's go.
We're going in now. We're now heading to Cafe Dior.
Hey, Dior's right here.
Yeah. Whoa. Where? They have like a lot of branded shops here. And I feel broke. It's so huge.
Cafe's upstairs.
It's a pretty painting here. We just ended our meal. The food was so good. Now we're going to the gallery. Oh my goodness. What? So like earlier on, the staff in the cafe did not allow me to record, so I only managed to get a few snippets of like the food and stuff. But anyway, it's quite affordable. Really highly recommend going. And it's very chill. It's not so crowded as well as Like, cause we initially did not make any booking and we thought that we couldn't enter. But there's nobody inside the cafe. Like, only 2 or 3 tables were occupied, which was a good thing. There's a stairwell. Let's see. This entire store is 5 levels tall. And we are heading to the 3rd floor. Oh. Now that we've exited Dior, we are going to our next location for...
Which is Burberry.
Are you serious?
Oh,
We wanna like go to one of the more visited shopping malls in Seoul, and it is at Dongdaemun. So here's just Gucci store as well. We are now at Dongdaemun, walking to the mall because the driver did not drop us off at the correct location. Oh, I see it.
What?
It's
Where?
opposite the
Opposite.
History and Culture Park. Oh, I think it's gonna rain. You wanna go by downstairs?
No, don't have renovation yet.
Okay. How do you like our day so far? How's our day so far?
It's not bad.
Yeah.
We just recovered.
Yeah.
You haven't.
It's so difficult to get around here because their address is in Korean, and whenever we wanna like book an Uber, we have to translate the road name, copy paste into Google Translate. Right?
Yes.
Fun fact, right? Not only Seoul is super huge, so they have like a lot of major shopping mall districts, and we like to go to duty-free shops because there has a variety of shop stores, and it's different from Singapore. Look at the mall, it's so huge, it's connected.
You remember where was the shop?
Just bought Seoul City Bus tour tickets, but our next tour is at 4:10. So meanwhile, we'll go do some shopping and we'll walk around this area before we board the bus.
We will end back here. Or
Yeah.
Oh!
We're at the bus. We're inside the bus now. Really? Not here? So interesting. So windy. We saw this that day. Yeah, it's so windy. Right. So I just visited the pharmacy and I got some medication because I've been having cough, runny nose, blocked nose, and it seems to not be going away, so I need to get it treated before my trip back to Singapore. Apparently you are able to get over-the-counter medicine here. This one costs 3,001, which is Singapore $3 plus. We're now at a restaurant, having our dinner. What time is it?
509.
It's 5:09 here, and we're gonna eat fried chicken.
They what inside?
Yeah.
It's not like normal chicken.
No, it's fine.
Nice ah. Really?
Look at Singapore.
You follow me. Like that. Yeah.
Oh no, how? We're at a Korean dessert cafe. So huge. Hi, so I am back in my hotel room. Just now, my phone was on low battery, so I did not vlog after entering the dessert cafe, but we ate some bingsu, also known as snowflake in Korea. Here's a picture of it. And yeah, after that we just headed back. We took the public transport 7:04 p.m. and we're just chilling. We're not sure if we're going out again later. Thank you for watching my vlog for today. Sorry if it was boring. I tried to fit everything into this vlog. And I'll see you again next time with another one.